The ISTP personality type is often associated with independent thinking, practical analysis, and hands-on problem solving. Within the 16 personalities framework, ISTP stands for introversion, sensing, thinking, and perceiving. This combination tends to produce individuals who are analytical, adaptable, and focused on understanding how things work. ISTPs typically prefer to observe first, then act. They tend to process information internally, analyzing situations before deciding on the most efficient way to respond. In many workplaces, ISTPs are the people who quietly figure things out. They are often highly effective at troubleshooting, diagnosing issues, and finding practical solutions, especially in complex or technical environments. When something needs to be fixed, improved, or optimized, ISTPs are often at their best. They tend to approach problems logically, focusing on efficiency and results rather than unnecessary process. However, like all personality types, ISTPs can encounter challenges. A preference for independence can sometimes make collaboration more difficult, especially in environments that require frequent communication or coordination. They may also disengage from work that feels overly structured, repetitive, or lacking in practical relevance. In some cases, they may hold back input unless directly asked. If this is you, one of the most valuable skills to develop is intentional communication. Sharing your thinking more proactively, even when it feels unnecessary, can improve collaboration and help others understand your contributions. It can also help to stay engaged in planning discussions, even if your preference is to focus on execution. If you work with an ISTP, autonomy and clarity are important. They tend to perform best when given a clear objective and the space to figure out how to achieve it. Avoid micromanagement and instead focus on outcomes and results. If input or collaboration is needed, inviting their perspective directly can help bring valuable insights into the conversation. ISTPs are often highly capable problem solvers who bring logic, efficiency, and adaptability to their work. When supported with the right level of autonomy and balanced with strong communication, they can play a critical role in solving complex problems and improving systems. If you want to explore other personality types, the full series is available below.